we learned how to manage time. We learned to be professional. We learned to be kind to each other even in the lowest moment.
There's a famous dialogue from by Shah Rukh Khan that if you want something, the whole universe will help you in achieving it. I actually believed I realized how true that quote is. That
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मिर्ची।
Hello.
Hi.
कैसे हो आप लोग?
Good, great. बढ़िया.
ऑल गुड?
Yes.
कैसे जा रहा है आज का दिन?
very nice,
Well,
All good?
interesting.
देखो,
Exactly.
बहुत सारी बातें भी करनी है, फन सेगमेंट्स भी है, बट उसके पहले आप इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए ऑडियंस को, जो लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं। सो एनीवन कैन स्टार्ट आपका इंट्रोडक्शन।
Hi, I'm Avni Kakekochi Bhatt, Miss Diva Cosmo 2025, and I'm an aerospace engineer, a Bharatnatyam dancer. I've also performed at G20 summits, and I've gotten Ministry of Culture. I've gotten a scholarship which allowed me to establish my own dance school called Tri School of Fine Arts. I have global students from Australia, New Zealand, students from the age of 5 to 55. So that is a little bit about me.
Hi everyone, my name is Avni Gupta and I am Miss Diva Supranational 2025. I will be representing India at Supranational 2026.
Hi everyone, I'm Aishwarya, Miss Diva Fashion Designer 2025, and I hope to create more stunning garments and see you guys soon, I guess.
Hi everyone, I am Monica D'Souza, your Miss Diva Content Creator 2025. I'm a 9 to 5 corporate employee and 5 to 9 chasing my dream, and that's got me here.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आप सबको, एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए चारों के लिए।
Thank
कैसी
you so
रही आपकी ये
much.
जर्नी अब तक और क्या सीखने मिला है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंटली इस जर्नी से? एनीवन कैन स्टार्ट।
There's no specific thing. I can't name one hard and fast. This is all I learned because we learned how to manage time. We learned to be professional. We learned to be kind to each other even in the lowest moment. And the one thing that I learned the most is to accept myself the best because I always thought, oh, pageantry is all about the skinny, lean body. But I am somebody who loves working out and who loves putting on muscle, who wants to just be fit and healthy. And it proved me wrong when I got the Miss Body Beautiful title. Because I did put on muscles and the judges were like, that's fab, that's healthy. And as women, it's extremely important to have muscles, okay? Because our bone density decreases over time. So muscles are the ones that will protect us. So let's just be healthy. Let's just work out and eat healthy as well.
या
So that's one thing. I just learned to accept my body better and it'll only get better from here.
वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Yes, it'll only get better from here.
या एनीवन?
Well, for my case, I've been working a corporate job, and whilst doing that, I was also preparing for my pageant journey. And as I completed this Miss Diva journey and emerged as a winner, I literally learned that you need to give your 100% best, and there is a divine power that is seeing you, and there is actually something there's a famous dialogue by Shah Rukh Khan that if you want something, the whole universe will help you in achieving it. I actually believed I realized how true that quote is, that if you believe in something and you work hard for it, you will definitely get it. So that's the one main learning that I learned from this journey.
बट आपने ये दोनों चीजें बैलेंस की कैसे, मतलब मल्टीटास्किंग, क्योंकि टू डिफरेंट करियर्स।
Yeah, so that was one of the challenges that I had to, but it's just that I couldn't leave my job in the middle, and I also wanted to pursue my passion, so I had to make that happen. So 9 to 5 my job, 5 to 9 shoots and pageant prep. So that's how my life went for the past few months.
एक्चुअल तमाशा ये था, मतलब जो फिल्म की स्टोरी एक्चुअली वही है, पैशन एंड द जॉब।
Yeah.
I, in fact, was working, I was interning at a fashion retail corporate place. And then when I got placed, I turned down the offer to pursue fashion as what it means to me. See, my fashion is very experimental, something different, a twist to tradition and contemporary style. So I turned it down, and then I was very confused. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know why I did it. But then I just trusted my gut. I just listened to my inner voice, and then whatever voice was guiding me. And then I think that's when Miss Diva came into me. And one thing led to another, and I think that happened for a reason, so that now I could be the title winner. if I had taken that, I don't think I would even be here.
Yeah.
And even throughout this experience, I had learned so much. I can't even tell. It was not even a competition. It was more of a sisterhood. It was more of friendship. It was more of connecting with each other on a much more deeper level. Loved it. Absolutely a very exciting opportunity, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. के लिए?
For me, yeah, as everybody said, I think journey for me was a roller coaster because even I'm a 9 to 5 employee. I'm working with the Organization for Education for a long time, and I was in Europe when I got my final task and I had to cut short my Europe trip. I came in the same day. I shot all 3 content in the same day, and I went to the Times office next day where we had boot camp for 5 days. And even in that period, I was doing my office job because my leaves didn't get approved because all Europeans go on holiday for Christmas starting this week. So all the time that I was doing my boot camp, I was also doing my mails and I was sorting my things out. I was doing my editing. I had prior brand commitments, prior shoots, editing, VO, everything was happening. So I think it's just, I think it's all about balancing everything out, and I think this place has really grounded me and really has made me see my real potential.
या क्योंकि आप कंटेंट क्रिएशन में हो, आपको एक सवाल पूछना है मुझे कि आजकल आपकी सबसे ऐसी क्या एक चीज़ है जो लोग कंटेंट क्रिएशन में मिस कर रहे हैं, जो कंटेंट बना रहे हैं?
Originality. I think people are running behind trends, left, right, center. See, a new song come, you know the market better. A new song come, they will pay 5 top influencers to promote this song, and all other follows. I think let's not do it. I think you should definitely do what aligns best with your personality. If a random song come and that doesn't align with my personality, I will never do it. So I think just not following the trend, but making the trend.
बट आई थिंक ट्रेंड्स का भी ऐसा है कि एक शॉर्ट
Trend
टाइम
is
के
never
लिए
permanent. Trends keep on changing. Though as we talk today, there'll be 2 trends that'll be changing at the same time. So I think don't follow the trend, but yeah, sometimes trends are trendy. You like them. If you like them, go with it. Otherwise, just don't do it because you think you'll get engagement, you'll get those reach, you know. So it looks stupid.
या नेक्स्ट सवाल अगेन सबके लिए, अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन होता है यू ट्रैवल बैक इन टाइम, ठीक है, और उस मोमेंट में जा रहे हो जहाँ पे आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई है, दैट एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट, कोई एडवाइस आप खुद को देना चाहोगे?
I would want to tell my younger self to just stay in the present because I was a very anxious puppy. I used to be like, हाँ future में क्या होगा? Do you think this will work? It doesn't matter. Just let go of the result. Is what I'd say the younger Avani. I'd be like, okay, you focus on the present. You give your best here, and forget about what is going to happen because that though is not under your control anyway. So stay disciplined, stay focused there, and do it consistently. Every day might not be here. Some days are here, but just keep going there. It'll take you somewhere. I was not that person, but today I am that person. So that's the only thing that I'd like to tell the younger self.
या एनीवन?
I would tell my younger self to, if I could have started pursuing my passion a little more sooner, a little earlier than this, then I would probably not have been facing so much issue balancing my job with my pageant prep, because I always felt this, that if I would have started this while I was in college, when obviously the pressure is a little less as compared to a job, then maybe I would have more time to myself and it wouldn't have been so challenging balancing both the things out.
या
I think I would just tell my younger self to calm down because, there's always the future which is very unpredictable. Even today I am like that. But I really have to calm down, and my younger self. Just live in the moment, enjoy what you have, but obviously work hard. Hard work never fails, right? So just work hard and then do what you love. Don't ever fear. Don't put yourself in a box because others tell you to or others are afraid of you. Just shine like the way you are.
या
I'll say do it right now. There's no perfect time because I remember when I started content creation, I wanted to start a little more earlier. So I was like, no, I'm not looking better now, and maybe I'll lose a little more weight, or maybe I'll lose this, that. That never happened. That will keep happening. So start whatever you have, where you are. Start from there, and the exact moment. Now is all we have.
या जब ये टाइटल आप जीते उसके बाद तो सबसे बड़ा चेंज आया आपके लाइफ में, वो क्या है? द बिगेस्ट चेंज उस रात के बाद अब तक सबसे बड़ा चेंज
social
क्या
media
है?
presence.
सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस.
So I have never, I'm not a very social media person. Like, I like to live in the moment, and after that, at night on my bed, for example, if I'm on a trip. After
Followers.
yeah, after everything, I would like to post my stories then. But now being someone, a personality that people know,
सोच के
you
करना
need to be very, not just that, but you need to be very active. You need to show people that what you're doing and everything. So for me, being getting that social media presence, people who I have never met praising me, following me, and wishing me all the luck for next year at Supranational. This is something very new to me and something very special.
Yeah.
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 I think
Okay.
for me it would be a responsibility. Plus, at the same time, I think this platform has given me to see how many people are rooting for me. Before this, it was all like we know each other and everything. But then, after this platform and winning this title, I've seen a lot of people coming up and congratulating me and wishing the best for me. And such genuine wishes, they just make my day and motivate me to be better, and that ultimately becomes a responsibility
Yeah.
in a very good way. I'm happy to take that responsibility.
Yeah. आप लोग के लिए क्या बदला है?
I think the support that my fan, I will not say fan, my family, like my Instagram family, my YouTube family has shown me, it's immense. I have messages from different strangers, some Ramu from Bihar, or some writing all big messages. Hey ma'am, I've been following your journey for 5 years, 2 years, and
Yeah, that too.
and they
Yeah.
have screenshots literally from those days, and like maybe I shared some skincare tip, they screenshot and they kept it to use it, and whatever could be the heck, and they share with me. I feel immense love and pleasure to see that I'm kind of small change in their life, and they are noticing me. I feel incredibly, like I feel really good, incredibly good.
Yeah. Really?
To be honest, nothing in my life happened in one day's time. Nothing was drastic in my life. So, like being a dancer, I'm a classical dancer, so it took me 18 years to actually be so established and be where I am. Even with respect to pageantry, it did not come to me in 2 months' time. I had to prep for it, I had to mentally, my family had to mentally align with me, and I felt like the universe aligned with me. So in my head, I was already aligned. I already knew what was going to come. I anticipated this, and that's exactly what that happened. So nothing changed over time. I anticipated all the love, and I used to get support from a lot of pageant pages, international pageant pages also. So it was nothing new, but the intensity has obviously increased now.
Yeah.
So just a lot of gratefulness. That's all I feel right now, and I'm just looking forward to what is next. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Now it's all okay. What is going to happen?
क्या होने
But
वाला है?
it's okay. I'll stay in the present and just ground myself.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. अच्छा
Thank
लगा आपसे
you.
बात
Thank
करके.
you.
Yes, you
Likewise.
too.
It was
were so fun.
amazing.
थैंक यू सो
Yeah.
मच. बट जाने से पहले शॉर्ट में एनी मैसेज टू ऑल द ऑडियंस जो तो प्यार दे रहे हैं और आगे भी देने वाले एनी मैसेज जो आपको बोलना है शॉर्ट में.
Thank you for all the love and support that you have been giving to all of us, being the Miss Diva winners. I think that we have a lot of responsibility on our shoulders, and yet we are so excited and so full of energy to represent ourselves, our country, and to keep your expectations up to the mark. Thank you so much.
Keep your love and support coming to all four of us, and two of us are in fact representing India at an international platform. So keep giving your love, keep giving your support, and we will make you proud very, very soon.
Thank you for the beautiful support throughout the journey. Thank you for liking my content. Thank you for believing in my content and showing all the love throughout. And I hope I keep entertaining you and you keep listening us on Radio Mirchi. And because Mirchi sunne wale always good.
And watch
Stay
us
happy.
live on Jan 4th
4th
at
Jan.
8 p.m. on Zoom TV. Watch us.
Also
Getting
streaming
tough.
on Times Now.
Times Play.
Times Play.
Watch the Miss Diva Grand Finale. Hello, watch the Miss Diva 2025 Grand Finale on Zoom TV on 4th of January at 8 p.m. We'll be streaming on Times Play and YouTube channel of Beauty Pageants India from 4th January onwards. Stay tuned.